Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BRET on Solana token. Now this token just finished a huge pre-sale. They just sold out 400 SOL worth of tokens. That was their hard cap, and they completed their goal. Ticker symbol is BRET. So obviously Pepe, famous Matt Furie character, famous meme coin. After that came out other Matt Furie characters like Wolf was on AVAX. Then we had BRET come out on the base chain. Just today I uploaded a video about Andy on Solana, so check out that video. And there was also BRET with hat token just come out recently. I did a video on that. And now we have BRET on Solana. I wasn't going to do another BRET video on another BRET token, but this one did so well in their pre-sale that we got to talk about it. So they just finished their pre-sale. We're going to talk about the info on the BRET on Solana token and how you can get it now that the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the BRET on Solana token. So I'm going to put their Twitter up right on the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at BRET Coin Solana on Twitter. It says, welcome to BRET's Twitter hub. BRET pre-sale is live. It's actually just finished, so it's over now. And then it has a link to their pre-sale right there, which is complete. Pink Sale just recently started doing Solana tokens. This is a brand new chain on their launch pad, and that's why it says beta.pinksale.finance/Solana, because this is still, the Solana tokens on the launch pad are still in the beta version here, but I'm sure they'll change to alpha soon. It's been about a month or a bit around a month or so since they started doing that. So 26 tweets on this Twitter so far. Just joined in November 2023. Already have 18,400 Twitter followers, and they have a link to their webpage right there, bretsolana.org. So it says, huge thanks. This is a new tweet from 2 hours ago. Huge thanks to all of our community members for the incredible support for BRET on Solana. Pre-sale claim will open when trading goes live. The claim is not open yet. Trading goes live in 24 hours. So that was 2 hours ago. So basically 22 hours from, well, now I guess I'm going to upload this video within the next few hours. So it'll be under 24 hours anyways, where the token goes live. And yeah, their pre-sale sold out completely. And so if you follow this Twitter right here, they're going to announce exactly when the trading will go live, but it'll be within the next 24 hours. So how will you get this token though when it goes live? Well, first of all, you'll need a wallet. So a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Phantom wallet, Coinbase wallet, any wallet that holds Solana tokens. You would fund that wallet with SOL, go into the dApps, find Rayfium, and then trade your SOL for the BRET on Solana token using the contract address that you can find on their webpage, bretsolana.org. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that. So it'll probably also be listed on Jupiter, maybe Orca, and then also it'll probably get some central exchange listings in the future. Now, they have, all sorts of pre-sale information. They're doing giveaways, all sorts of things on this Twitter here. So check out their Twitter. Now, on their webpage, they have a utility section, a buy now button that will go live when it's listed on Rayfium. So it says, welcome to the world of BRET, where cuteness meets blockchain innovation. Join our vibrant community and ride the wave of the most adorable meme coin on the Solana blockchain. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or a dog lover, Brett is here to bring joy to your financial journey. You become an early participant. So why would you choose Brett? Well, it's got unrivaled cuteness. Brett is not just a meme coin, it's a celebration of all things cute. Our tokenomics and design are carefully crafted to melt hearts and make your investment experience a delightful one. It is Solana powered, so harnessing the speed and efficiency of the Solana blockchain, Brett ensures quick transactions and low fees. Say goodbye to slow and expensive transactions. It is also community driven. Brett is all about the community love. Participate in community events, share your favorite dog memes, and watch Brett thrive as we grow together. It's also secure and transparent. Built on Solana's secure blockchain, Brett ensures transparency and reliability. Check our smart contracts on the blockchain and witness the security behind the cuteness. Explore Brett's utilities. The first one is Brett Swap. So it's a decentralized exchange trade for Brett tokens seamlessly with Brett Swap. Our decentralized exchange enjoy low fees, high liquidity, and user-friendly interface designed for both beginners and experienced traders. They also have the Brett NFTs, collectible doggy art on the blockchain. Immerse yourself in the world of Brett NFTs. Our limited edition adorable NFTs are available for purchase. Own a piece of digital art that showcases the cuteness of the puppies in the blockchain universe. They also have the Brett Bridge. A cross-chain compatible Brett Bridge allows you to seamlessly move your Brett tokens between different blockchains. Experience the flexibility of Brett across various ecosystems. And the Brett Games. Play to earn. Join the fun. Brett tokens can be earned by engaging in these fun games and playing with the community. Brett Analytics. There's going to be insights. Stay informed with Brett Analytics. Real-time market data, price trends, community statistics, data-driven decisions. Stay ahead of the curve. And lastly, the Brett Launchpad. So Pink Sale is a launchpad, so similar to that. Incubating doggy-themed projects, though, on the Brett Launchpad. So besides that, they have a lot of pre-sale info on their webpage, but that is over. But token information-wise, Brett's the ticker symbol, 6 decimal places. Total supply is 77,860,000,000 tokens. They had 356 different contributors invest in their pre-sale. Hard cap was 400 sold, completely sold out. Now, Rayfium's LP pool is going to be locked for 180 days. Basically, 51.37% of the tokens went to pre-sale, 35.13% of the tokens go to liquidity, and 13.48% of the tokens are unlocked. Go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about Brett on Solana? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.